Hi guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we are going to discuss about Treasury's a Telegram Airdrop. So Treasury is a new Telegram mini bot that launched in March 2025. The Blooms and the Dog platform teams is working on the back end of this project. So this project help users to earn a cryptocurrency called Treasuries. Currently, the Treasury Telegram bot platform has more than 8 million users. An interesting part of this trading platform is that it has a hidden secret code solve, which allow user in extra the trading token for free, and they have a free giveaway, and it has a free one giveaway. And today we are going to solve about three trading secret code, which you will come over to this trading telegrams. You can see on my telegram screen now. If we come over to the giveaway, this is the giveaway part. This is where you invite people. Please do where to use my link. I'll be copying this link. I'll put it in my description box now, so that you can use it to sign it to this treasure if you are new to it. So the first one is that it said, who is the mention? Just come over to this space and click on it. Enter the code for me. Code for Mr. Shemenshu is a narrators. So Mr. Shemenshu can use a capital letter to start it. The menu is a narrator. Just click on check. You can see it below that the code is correct. Just click continue. And you see you have claimed that. So we are going to enter the other one. We say that just click enter. And this other one say that unwanted guest. So this other one shows unwanted guest. Let's click on the code. The code is what? Hello. Hello. You can see I just enter the code now. You can see at the bottom of it, you can see that the code is correct. You say continue, the code is correct. So this unwanted guest, you can see it here. Now they will say that you should claim it. In this part now, they will not say that claim. You then click on the claim button. Just click on this message. On this message now, what you have to do now is just to enter the code. The code here is 112. Just click and you see that it's correct. Just click continue and it has what claim. So the other part is now is that you click on it and you input the code, and this code now is AAA. That is what I show you at the starting of it. Capital A. Just say A. It's capital A. Just click check. You see it's correct and you've claimed. So this is all the activities of this treasure hunt. If you come over to my balance now, you can see my balance have increased to 530. You understand now? So this is the common. If you can do it to come to the common and boost your channel and join them to their talents and the rest. But the main one I want to show you now that will disturb you and that will make you to be searching online every time is this four things now. So by tomorrow, another code is going to be coming out.